Take a slow breath in and gently let it go. Again, slow breath in and release. Allow your body settle. Allow your shoulder to soften. Allow your jaw to unclench. There is nowhere you need to be right now. Nothing you need to fix. There is nothing you need to prove right now. You're in a safe place. You are safe in this moment. Let the weight you have been carrying begin to loosen. You have been strong for a long time. Stronger than most people know you to be. You've smiled when you were tired. You've shown up when you felt empty. You've carried things silently, and that is heavy. But tonight, you don't have to carry it alone. So breathe in slowly. And as you exhale, imagine placing that emotional weight beside you. Not throwing it away, just setting it down for now. Pause. You are allowed to rest from that survival mode. You are allowed to soften. You are allowed to heal. Healing does not mean the pain didn't matter. Healing does not mean you forget. Healing means you chose peace over punishment. There may be memories that still ache, words that still echo, moments that feel unfinished. Instead of fighting them, just observe them. Like clouds passing through the sky. They are not you. They are just experiences. And experiences move. So breathe in and say quietly to yourself, I release what is no longer serving as my peace. Now take another pause. Your heart has been protecting you, even when it closed, even when it hardened, even when it withdrew. It was trying to keep you safe. So thank your heart. Place your hand over your chest if it feels right for you right now. Feel that steady rhythm. That is resilience. That is life choosing you again and again. You survived things you thought will break you. And you're still here. So for that, take another pause. Now, imagine a soft, warm light at the center of your chest. Not bright, not overwhelming, just gentle. With every breath in, The light grows slightly warmer. With every breath out, it spreads gently throughout your body, into your shoulders, into your stomach, into your arms, into the places that holds tension. Emotional pain often hides in the body. So tonight, we let it soften. You're not weak for feeling deeply. You are human. And if it's okay with you, say this quietly to yourself. I am allowed to feel, I am allowed to heal, and I am allowed to begin again. Now take another pause. Forgiveness does not mean accepting mistreatment. It means freeing your energy from what hurt you. Visualize cutting invisible cords that ties you to old pain, not with anger, but with calm certainty. You choose freedom, you choose lightness, you choose your future. So now breathe slowly. There are parts of you that still needs compassion. The younger version of you, the version that didn't know better, the version that loved too hard, the version that trusted too quickly. Send love to that version. Say to that version, you did your best. You did the best you could with what you knew, and I am proud of you. Now pause. Healing is not loud. It is a quiet decision. Daily boundaries, gentle self-talk, choosing yourself again and again and again and again. You do not need to rush your healing because you are not behind, but you are unfolding. Let your breath slow naturally. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in again, breathe out. Feel your body supported beneath you. Feel the air around you. Feel the moment. You are not your past. You are not your mistakes. You are not the pain others projected on you. You are growth. You are wisdom. You are strength wrapped in softness. So breathe in deeply and release. As we prepare to close, set one quiet intention and say this to yourself. From this moment forward, I choose peace over pressure. Now take another pause. Take one final slow breath in and hold that for a moment. Now gently let it go. When you're ready, wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, and return slowly, lighter than you were before, because you are healing, and that is powerful.